Hey guys, it's Brian here from brianchai.com, and today I'm going to be going through 5 reasons why support and resistance work so well for trading. It is without a doubt that they are one of the most commonly used methods by traders and investors all around the world. But before we begin, remember to subscribe and give my videos a thumbs up if you like them. Also visit my website for more cool stuff like free workshop, trading community, signals, alerts, mentorship, coaching, and that kind of stuff. Link will be in the description below. Alright, so let's get right into it. The one overarching mother of all reason why support and resistance work is because it is based on mass psychology. And you'll later see that the 5 reason I'm going to explain all will link back to this. In fact, most of the trading work based on mass psychology, because the more people believe that the price is going to reverse at the support, the more number of people are going to buy at that price, and it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. That is what it really is about, and it is the crux of support and resistance. In fact, support and resistance form because they are a visual representation of the general belief of the trading population. They can only happen when majority of people believe that a certain price will hold solid, which will turn that price into either support or resistance. Okay, so now that we know the main rationale behind why they work, let's get into the first reason, which is that they are easy to use. We all know that there are thousands of indicators and patterns and all sorts of information out there in the trading world, and to some extent they all work given the right circumstances. The keyword here is given the right circumstances. And sometimes it can be difficult to spot that right circumstance, which is why some of those indicators are not so easy to use. Support and resistance, on the other hand, are very easy to use, and they are used by pretty much everyone, from a beginner who just started trading all the way to hedge fund managers or investment bank analysts. And because everyone is using them, the chances of it working is higher, which is why they work so well. Reason number 2 is that they are easy to spot. Support and resistance can be found all over the charts easily without having to add in indicators or use complex tools. This makes it easier to use, unlike other strategies which relies on more than one setup. Take, for instance, price divergence, where you have to compare the price on the chart itself with another indicator like RSI and look for divergence between the two. Can be difficult to use for those that are not skilled enough, but support and resistance, anyone can pretty much use it all day, any day. Quick pro tip here is that when you are drawing support or resistance lines, remember to always draw the candle wick to the candle wick and the candle body to the candle body. Sometimes you won't get it to line up perfectly, but it is a good practice to do so. But don't sweat it if it doesn't fit 100%. Right, next, reason number 3 is because they represent key areas of supply and demand. Imagine if the price reversed sharply twice in a row at, say, $1,000. The next time the price gets close to 1,000 again, most people are going to look back in time to see how price behave, and they'll see that prices bounce off the $1,000 mark. Now, in their mind, they know that $1,000 is a solid support because price reversed strongly twice at that level, so it has become a significant level to watch out for. Traders are now looking to enter into a long position, are going to want to enter at that price. Short sellers who already have a position open will want to exit at that price as well, because they know the chances of the price going below 1,000 is low, as it's already become a solid support. Alright, next, reason number 4 is that they are the bread and butter of price action. Price action is a strategy that believes price is the ultimate indicator, which is why traders using this strategy will rely on price to base their trades on. This is because, according to the efficient market hypothesis, prices already reflect all information available in the market. So every price action traders out there are going to be using the same support and resistance levels to base their trades on. And because more people are using it, it plays out exactly like how they expect it to be, right? Mass psychology at play here. Right. The last reason, number 5, is that they are used in many different strategies and patterns and setups. It's like you've got some inception going on here. You start to see a support within a support, and that's the reason why this pattern work is because people believe and expect the support and resistance levels to hold. Take for example the double top pattern. The second top takes place because likely there was a strong reversal at the first top, so more people are expecting history to repeat itself, and if it takes place again, then you got a triple top. You can also see this happening in ascending triangle, right? This is usually seen in a bullish market where price is going up, but then it hits a resistance level, so it starts to back down a little bit and consolidate before breaking out. And you can see usually each time when price goes down, it goes down lesser and lesser, and you'll form an upward slope. So what happens here is that initially price hit the resistance and people expect it to go back down, but each time it goes back down, it goes back up again, right? And it hits the resistance again and again, right? But each time it goes back up to hit the resistance, people are losing faith in that resistance level, which is why eventually the price gets narrower and narrower until it breaks out. And the breakout happened because people who initially thought the resistance would hold, they are switching sides, right, into thinking that the price will break through it after seeing multiple failed attempts for price to go down. So those are my 5 reasons why support and resistance work. Let me know what are your thoughts on this. Leave a comment below if you have other reason on why they work. Also subscribe to my channel, visit my website for more cool stuff. So thank you guys for watching and see you in the next video.